Hi, welcome to Laura's Fundora. Today I'm going to show you how I made Jack Skellington's mask. It's super easy. I made it in just 2 days. So let's get started. So first I blew up a balloon and paper mache'd it to the size of the kid who's going to wear it. So it's going to be my son who's wearing it. And I let that dry overnight. And then the next day I was able to draw out the eyes of Jack Skellington, and the mouth. And then I cut that out. I also produced a huge hole for where his head's going to come into the mask and cut that out as well. So once the eyes are cut out and the mouth is cut out, then you're ready to paint. So I painted it all white and I let that dry and then painted another layer and then let that dry. Then I used tissue paper, black tissue paper. I was able to see through it pretty easily, so my kid will be able to see through it. It'll be dark for him, but he won't be wearing it the whole time he's going trick-or-treating. So you hot glue the tissue paper into the eye area and also the mouth area. Then the last thing you need to do is mark where his smile is. So I just got a black Sharpie marker and marked his smile and his teeth and then his nostrils, and you're done. This mask was super easy to make, and it was pretty much free. I just had the leftover scraps of tissue paper lying around and then newspaper and a little bit of paint. And voila, you've got a cool skeleton mask for an awesome kid to go trick-or-treating in. So I hope this helps. This video helps if you have a kid wanting to be a skeleton this year. Super easy way, and if it gets destroyed, it's no big deal because it was pretty affordable and pretty cheap to make. Hope this helps with your Halloween this year, and please subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.